In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn hundreds of dollars every single day promoting CPA offers from any country of your choice. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online with CPA and affiliate marketing. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can literally get started and start earning passive income with CPA marketing. So moving on to the video, you want to come over to this website called offervault.com. So basically this website allows you to find numerous CPA offers from various CPA networks and from various countries. Okay, so once you come over here, you are going to come over to the country section. And like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to do this from any country that you decide to go with. As you can see on the top here, we have United States, which means this is a country most people target when doing CPA or affiliate marketing. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do it with any country of your choice. So in this video, I'm going to be taking South Africa as an example. So all you just need to do is to scroll down and you want to select South Africa. So once you do this, the next step is to come over to the category section and you want to scroll down and you want to look for where it says coupons. So you want to click on this coupon, and once you do that, it's going to show you various CPA offers that are available in South Africa. So once you click on that, you are going to see this offer right here, which says Pure Tap. Okay, so basically these offers, as you can see, the category right here, coupon survey and sweepstake. And you can see this is a Amazon Prime landing page, which means people need to just come over to this landing page and create an account on Amazon Prime. And once people come over to the landing page and they sign up for Amazon Prime, you are going to get $7.50. Okay, you want to make sure to check out the traffic source that is allowed by this CPA offer. You can see they allow email marketing, they allow display, and you can see also social media is allowed. You can see they allow SMS and other traffic sources, and you can see the country allowed is South Africa. Okay, so now the next step you want to do is very simple. I'm going to click on the landing page. So basically, as you can see right here, this is the landing page of this CPA offer. You can see how simple and straightforward the landing page is. Once people type in their email right here and they register for an account on Amazon Prime, you are going to make $7.50. Okay, so if you get just 20 people a day to complete this CPA offer, you're already making $150 every single day for people just signing up for Amazon Prime. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to get lesser targeted traffic to this landing page and start earning money. All right, so the first thing you want to do is quite simple. You want to sign up for this CPA network called Triad Media. Okay, you want to click on this run offer. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to their sign up page, and literally all you just need to do is to create an account with this CPA network. Because I don't want to prolong this video, all you just need to do is to type in your basic details right here and you are going to get your account approved. Okay, so once you're done, all you just need to do is to check this box right here and you want to click on submit an application, and usually you will get approved within a day or two. Okay, so once you have your account created, all you just need to do is to grab the link to the landing page. One of the best traffic source you can use is Facebook. Okay, there are a lot of people on Facebook who like free stuff. Okay, so once you come over to Facebook, all you just need to do is to type in the country you're targeting right here, and which is South Africa. So once you type that on Facebook, you want to click on this see all. You are going to see a lot of Facebook groups that include South African members. All right, you can see this is an example of a group right here with over 57,000 members, and this is also another group right here with over 14,000 members. As you can see, this is a South African group. And now if I scroll down, you can see this group is getting a lot of engagement. You can see this is a simple post right here made just one day ago with over 200 comments. So if I keep scrolling down, you can see this is also another post made just 20 hours ago. You can see the engagement right here and all the comments in this group, and this is to tell you the members of this group are very active. So what you want to do once you join this group is very simple. All you just need to do is to create a post in the Facebook group. Okay, and all you just need to do is to click on this write something. So once you do that, you want to basically write something simple like this. watch movies on Amazon Prime for 30 days. Okay, so basically you want to leave a click here button so that people can click on this landing page. And once they click on the landing page and they land on this page, all they just need to do is to sign up for an account, and you are going to make $7.50. And like I showed you, this group have thousands of members, and definitely you are going to get people who are going to sign up. So basically, they are also going to get access to watch Amazon Prime for 30 days for absolutely free, and you also make money as well. So basically, it's a win-win situation. So basically, this is a very simple strategy that you can use to promote CPA offer from any country of your choice. Okay, so basically all you just need to do, like I said, is to come over here, select any country you like, and you want to select any CPA offer and go over to Facebook. You are going to find groups with thousands of members from that targeted country of your choice. Okay, and once you do that, all you just need to do is to share a simple message in the group, and you are going to get people signing up for this offer, and you are going to start making money. So basically, that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value in this video, please leave a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.